I think it's really important to talk about your feelings because it's something that a lot of people aren't comfortable with. Creating work centered around your feelings can really lead to you opening up emotionally and being more vulnerable. I mean, I literally have a piece that says vulnerability is not weakness. And it stemmed from a real life conversation that I had with a friend about how they don't feel comfortable being vulnerable. So I think that, it can really be a great way to process and kind of open yourself up and think, wow, how do I actually feel about this? By seeing it designed or written down. So I'm a Cancer, so I've always been a very emotional person. But I was never drawn towards, methods that people would talk about. Like, I didn't really like journaling or writing them down. So of course, therapy is great and I encourage everyone to go to therapy. But something that has helped me when I do maybe have a feeling or a thought, I do typically write it down. But I always visualize it. I'm a very visual person. So I see it in my head first. And a lot of the times I realize that I'm not alone in those feelings. So the reason why I share it is because I think that a lot of the things that I feel are things that people can relate to. And by me sharing, it may make someone else more comfortable in admitting how they feel as well. Knowing that you're not alone in your feelings is really important. And it always makes me feel better to see someone else going through something similar or having a similar experience and knowing like, okay, it's not just me, you're not crazy. A lot of people experience the same things. And so there is a sort of a comfort in being able to talk about it and being able to relate to other people's experiences. Next up, we're going to talk about basic principles of graphic design.